Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah and today's video is going to be on this look. Why am I in this camera like this? I'm feeling so cute. My hair was giving Betty vibes, so I was like, let me put some makeup on and tie this all together. Let's jump right into it. Okay, so as you can see, my brows are already on, and right here I'm just priming the eyelids. One thing you want to do when you wear eyeshadow is prime those eyelids, girl, because that keeps the shadow on all day long. I'm gonna try to talk through this whole video, but I don't think I can because, y'all, if I talk too much, I promise my tongue will get twisted like a Auntie's Annie's pretzels, but them things be good. So here I was just taking a beauty blend. See, that's what, look. Okay, y'all see what I was talking about? My tongue just got all twisted up, honey. But anyway, I'm just taking a little brown and putting it right there in the crease, and I'm going to blend that out. One thing about makeup, you have to make sure that you blend. That is the key to makeup. I don't care if you got one color on your eyelid, blend that one color out, honey. Now I'm just going to go in with a light color and place this up under the brows. I'm not sure if a lot of people still do this, but I do. And look, before you talk about my brush, baby, I done had this brush for so long. And when I tell you, like, it get the job done. If it ain't broke, I ain't gonna fix it. And I got 1,000 brushes, but for some reason, I just really like this one. You see how it's cutting that crease? If y'all got something that y'all holding on to that's old, but it still get the job done, I like this video. And subscribe to my channel. Now I'm just taking a darker color and just placing this on the outer crease, trying to get those eyes a little bit more pop, a little bit more on for lump. Okay, so why I'm doing this, y'all, what y'all watching right now? Like, I got Netflix, Tubi, and look, Tubi, they be having some good movies on there, but I just cannot, like, the editing is so cringy. Like, they be forgetting to take stuff out. They be forgetting to take the cameraman out the movie. Like, why is y'all earn this movie and the cameraman right here? Like, it be a mess, y'all. But what y'all watching? Give me something to watch. Oh yeah, I got Amazon Prime and I got Hulu too. Yeah. Let me tell y'all, when I got that email telling me that my Netflix was gonna be almost $25 a month, I might have to get some cable or something. Cause right now, we got smart TVs and they got the Roku stuff on there, and stuff like that. But I don't know. All these subscriptions together, I might as well get some cable and just let the same thing play on 50 different channels. So just like we prime our eyelids, we're going to prime the face too so that that foundation can stick. Now here, I know the foundation probably look a little off a little bit, but with this foundation, this is the NARS, and this foundation just have to like soak into your skin. And then once it soaks up in there, like the magic happens. So I'm just going to get all this stuff. Oh, y'all, when the winter time comes, make sure that you use like your winter foundation, because like your skin changes in the summertime and the wintertime, and you don't want to use your summertime foundation in the wintertime because you're gonna be a little bit more lighter. At least for me, I know my skin is way lighter in the wintertime than it is like in the summertime. But here, that's just a little concealer, and I'm just putting it all up on the eyes so I can like look away. Look, y'all, fun fact. I just got off of work at 5 o'clock this morning. Like, on the day of me recording this, I got off of work at 5 o'clock, and here I am sitting up in this chair, putting on a full face of makeup. I felt cute for a good 2 hours, and then I went to sleep. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Working overnight is not for the weak. I'm telling you, that's real tough. And I'm doing it. That's my job, and I'ma stick beside it. But I'm brushing my face up right here. We almost down to the wire. And if you ain't done so already, go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel, y'all. And let me know what other videos y'all want to see, because I'm so like, I want to cater to you, because baby, this is your day. Okay, so I'm putting like a little razzle dazzle up on my face. Yeah, my favorite part of makeup, no lie, is putting like the highlight on. Like, when I look left, when I look right, when I look up and down, I want to be like glowing. in every direction, north, east, south, east. I don't care. Whichever way I turn, I want them to be like, Zang, yo highlight popping. Thanks, boo. Y'all tell me why I was actually turning left, right, north, and south. But that's just me, y'all. I'm a Cancer. What's your sign? Drop your sign down below. I know the Cancers are the best, but I ain't trying to start no zodiac rivalry. But I'm putting some bronzer up on my nose to get it like a little bit chiseled. And yeah. Yeah, I'm so ready for Thanksgiving. Look, I'm literally trying to talk the whole video, but this is a bit challenging, but I'm ready for Thanksgiving. Like, I want some dressing so bad. Like, that's my favorite part, dressing and that little mac and cheese. But here I'm just spraying like some Mario facial spray, and what I like to do is I like to go over my face with my foundation brush just to tie everything all together. Y'all like my hair? Yeah, I love my hair. And look, fun fact, the girl who does my hair, she goes viral every time, and also anytime she posts any content. So I'm just curious to see if y'all seen the video on either a YouTube short or a Facebook reel or anywhere. Like, have y'all seen the video with by Veronica? Like, let me know, and if y'all seen it, let me know what state y'all calling from, because I'm trying to see, like, I'm trying to see what area code in different area codes. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put these lips on, and this is gonna be pretty much it. This is the look. Jump into it, tap into it, tiptoe into it, whatever you want to do. Just get into it. You could do it, put your back, you could do it, put your makeup into it. So when I put my lips on and my lip liner, I always use just like a little brush just to tie everything together. And this is the finished look. If y'all think I look cute, I'm gonna say it one more time. Go ahead, like and subscribe and comment down below, boo. See you next time.